Welcome everyone. In this MockFlow wireframing hacks video, we'll show you how to create a complete website wireframe in under 2 minutes using simple drag and drop actions. In this video, we'll use the Tailwind UI kit, which comes with a collection of ready-to-use, fully customizable components and sections. Let's start by adding the browser frame. Then, in the UI kit, you can see that there are categories for sections. Let's click on the Hero section, and here, we can see that there are options with different layouts for the Hero section. Pick one and drag and drop it into the editor. Next, add the Logo section from the Logo category. Followed by the Features section. We'll also include a 3-column Features component by simply dragging and dropping it. Now, let's move on to the CTA section by adding its component from the UI kit. After that, add the ready-made Testimonial section component. Followed by the Pricing section. And the FAQ section. Finally, complete the page structure by adding the Footer section. Once everything is in place, you can edit and customize every component based on your preference. Create website wireframes faster with MockFlow's ready-to-use UI kits. Like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow wireframing tips.